Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Mary. In this video today, I'm going to talk about niacinamide, its benefits, its how to use it, and everything else that you need to know about this amazing ingredient. So let's get started. So let's talk about what exactly is niacinamide. Niacinamide is an ingredient which is also known as vitamin B3. This is one of the least irritating ingredient. That is why it works amazing for all skin types and especially for sensitive skin. So this brings us to the next section, which is the benefits of niacinamide. Since it is one of the least irritating ingredient and it suits all skin types, that is why this ingredient is found in a lot of skincare products, especially moisturizers and serums. One of the benefit of niacinamide is that it helps to strengthen the skin barrier. Another amazing benefit of niacinamide, for which a lot of people use this ingredient, is because it helps in reducing the appearance of fine lines, dark spots, redness and enlarged pores without making the skin too sensitive, without being very harsh on the skin. Another benefit of niacinamide is that it helps in regulating the sebum production. Niacinamide also helps in preventing acne, preventing the scars left by acne and reducing the redness caused by acne. That is why it's amazing for oily, acne prone skin. Another thing that I wanted to speak about is the myth surrounding niacinamide. A lot of people are confused about this and they often ask this question whether niacinamide can be used along with vitamin C in a skincare routine. There was a very old research which happened 40 years back that said that niacinamide paired with vitamin C can cancel each other out. Another myth surrounding niacinamide and vitamin C was that once it comes together, it forms a it makes the vitamin C highly unstable and it turns it into a chemical which is very harmful for the skin. Now both these myths were based on a study that was conducted around 40 years back, and that was when vitamin C was not used in its stable form. And this research was conducted when vitamin C was vitamin C and niacinamide were used at a very high temperatures, and those temperatures are not used in day-to-day life. Another thing is vitamin C is now in today's time, vitamin C is used in a very stable form, so it can be definitely paired together, and those studies that were conducted is not valid today. And niacinamide works wonderfully with other ingredients. Even if you're using a chemical exfoliant like an AHA or BHA, it works harmoniously with other ingredients and it gives amazing benefits to the skin. So there's no problem with using niacinamide in your routine with AHA, BHA or whether it is vitamin C. How to use it? It's most effective when it is used in a leave-on product rather than a wash-off product. That is why it is used in a lot of moisturizers, cream, anti-aging creams. So it is more effective in that way. The best way of using it is it works well in a moisturizer, but the maximum benefit you would get out of your niacinamide is by using it in the form of a serum. Now let's talk about how to use niacinamide in a serum form. As I mentioned, niacinamide is one of the least irritating ingredient and it suits every skin type and it works for most of the skin concerns. But still, if you're a beginner, you would want to start with 4 to 5% of niacinamide instead of using 10%, which is like one of the highest concentrations of niacinamide. Another thing is, if you're introducing niacinamide serum, start with once a day and use it in your nighttime skincare routine, and later on you can start using it twice a day maximum. So I have been using this Minimalist 10% niacinamide. I had introduced this in my skincare routine, and ever since I started using it, I did notice a lot of difference in my skin. This is something I will talk about in my next video, which will be the review of Minimalist 10% niacinamide serum. So as I already mentioned, best way to use it, I have started using it once a day in my nighttime skincare routine. I'm going to review it next and speak about in detail how it worked for my skin and what are the benefits and changes that I noticed in my skin, and more in detail about this particular product. So if you want to see a review of this product, please subscribe to my channel so that you can be notified once the review is up on my channel. You can also find a lot of skincare tips and makeup related videos from the description box down below. And yeah, that's it for today. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.